Hi guys, thanks for watching our video. Today we will walk you through properly installing the dome glass for your iPhone 10 or iPhone 11 models. That means this is the proper way to do the installation for the iPhone XS, XS Max, XR, 11, 11 Pro, and 11 Pro Max models. I will show you just how easy it is, so let's go ahead and get started. First off, please power off your phone and make sure your table is leveled. Here are all the components that come in your kit. There are 2 bottles of Loca glue included. The second one is a backup in case you make a mistake before carrying. Please begin by completely wiping down the screen with one of the alcohol pads. Make sure you get along the edges as well. Next, dry it off with a cleaning cloth. Now, carefully place your iPhone in the bottom tray case. The bottom tray case says speaker. This end goes towards you. So make sure you place the phone into the tray case with the speaker on the same side. Place the top tray over your phone. Take these absorption pads and place them on each side of your iPhone as such. Here is the adhesive tape to cover the top speaker. Make sure it just covers only the speaker. There is a small cutout in the center where it fits over the tray case like so. These are the dust removal stickers. You have 2 strips. Use one of them to remove any dust. Use it as necessary. Now locate the position bridge. Place the position bridge into its spot like so. This is the bottle of liquid adhesive. Grab one of the tubes of Loca, twist the colored cap and place it inside the round hole in the position bridge. Then, twist the black cap and allow all the liquid adhesive to pour out from the bottle. Then carefully remove the bridge and the bottle of adhesive. Next, carefully remove the peel-off sheet from the glass by peeling down and place the glass in the tray. Start at the bottom and carefully lean it onto the plastic tab. The next steps are very important. Now, grab the plastic slider, place the slider like so, then slowly begin sliding up away from you. Apply light pressure until the glass drops. Wait for 80 seconds as the adhesive spreads completely. Be sure not to touch the glass with your hands while the liquid adhesive is spreading. If you have an issue, you can wash your phone and the glass with water and try again as long as this is done before the first carrying. Next, we will carry the screen onto the device. Place the UV light at the top by the speaker and carry it for 15 seconds. Then, move it to the bottom near the home button and let it sit for another 15 seconds. Now, remove the top tray case and the masking tape covering the top speaker from your iPhone and carefully remove the device from the tray. Once removed, wipe it down again with a new alcohol pad. Make sure you especially wipe along the edges. For stage 2, we will finish the carrying process by placing the UV light again at the bottom part for 1 minute and then at the top for another minute. Repeat this process and care for 1 more minute at the bottom and then 1 final minute at the top. That's it, you're good to go! You can enjoy the perfect touch sensitivity of a flawless, edge-to-edge tempered screen protector. Don't forget to get a case. Whitestone also has a clear case that fits perfectly for the iPhone XS model. I hope this video was helpful and see you again next time.